know, the first question people ask once they sign up for a new roof project is, what's it going to be like? What's the installation process? Who shows up at the house? That kind of thing. Well, we like to explain it like a roller coaster, an emotional roller coaster. When you first call us, usually people aren't the most excited about doing a roof project. Usually it's because of a need. It's not necessarily a want. It's not a vanity project, you know, like others. So when you start off, you're nervous. Maybe it leaks. Maybe an inspector told you that you needed it. Maybe it's a new home and it's just another thing to do. Well, we'll show you the benefits of replacing a roof, the long-term investment value that it actually increases for your home. We'll talk about all those things. But once the project actually starts, it gets a little scary. I mean, you have a bunch of people crawling all over your roof, tearing it apart. We actually take the roofing off of your roof, and we explained in another video why we do that, why we don't just, they call it a layover. We don't do layovers here at Resilient Roofing. And once all of that is off, your roof structure, the bare wood, is exposed. I mean, there's no waterproofing for your home for that duration of time. That's the bottom of that roller coaster. Well, one of the reasons we do that anyway, is to find if there's any potential wood damage. So as a roof leaks, year after year after year, season after season, there can develop some wood damage that needs to get replaced. We'll show you those, we'll discuss that with you, go over different options on the best way to replace it. We'll take care of that, and then the installation of the roof goes on. Once that's done, it's exciting and you're back up at the top again emotionally, and everybody's excited when that's finished. But I just want to explain for today what that emotional roller coaster looks like. Start off not so excited, we hopefully get you excited, but then you drop back down again when demo happens, because it's real. I mean, it's happening. It's noisy, it's messy, it actually shakes the house a bit when they're up there working. And then we get the waterproofing on, and then we get the roofing top layer on, which is what you paid for, and off we go. Then it's all finished and back up to the top with a beautiful new home.